For families in Middleburg, home security is about more than just locks and alarms. It starts with having strong, reliable doors. Your doors are the first line of defense between your family and the outside world, protecting against intruders, weather, and even energy loss. However, over time, doors can weaken due to Florida's humid climate, daily wear and tear, and outdated materials. Replacing an old or damaged door isn't just a cosmetic upgrade, it's a smart investment in your family's safety and peace of mind. Here's how door replacement plays a key role in strengthening home security and why it's worth considering for your Middleburg home. Stronger materials for better protection. Many older homes in Middleburg still have original wood doors. While wood can be beautiful, it's vulnerable to warping, rotting, and cracking, especially in humid or rainy conditions. These weaknesses can make the door easier to force open or damage. Modern replacement doors use durable materials like steel, offers superior impact resistance and is nearly impossible to kick in. Fiberglass combines strength with resistance to weathering, cracking, or denting. Solid core composite wood provides a traditional look with enhanced durability. These materials are engineered to withstand both intrusions and Florida's unpredictable weather, ensuring your home remains secure and structurally sound. Advanced locking systems for maximum security. When replacing your door, you also have the opportunity to upgrade your locking system. Traditional single-bolt locks can be vulnerable to break-ins, but modern doors support multi-point locking systems, which secure the door at multiple points along the frame. Some new models even include reinforced strike plates and tamper-resistant hinges that make it significantly harder for intruders to pry or kick the door open. For extra peace of mind, homeowners can opt for smart locks that integrate with home security systems, allowing remote locking and monitoring from a smartphone. A professionally installed door replacement ensures these features work flawlessly, adding both strength and convenience to your home's protection. Improved door frames and ceiling security doesn't end with the door slab itself. The frame and installation are just as important. A strong door in a weak frame can still be a security risk. Professional door replacement includes reinforcing the frame, jamb, and threshold, which are often the first areas to fail in a break-in attempt. Installers use steel or composite reinforced frames and secure anchoring hardware that resists splitting and shifting. This tight fit also enhances insulation, reducing drafts and preventing moisture damage, two issues common in Middleburg's humid climate. Impact-resistant options for storm protection in Florida. Security also means protecting your home from the elements. Impact-resistant doors, designed to meet local building codes, can withstand high winds, flying debris, and heavy rainfall. These doors are made with reinforced cores and heavy-duty glass inserts that don't shatter on impact. Not only do they enhance your home's storm preparedness, but they also deter intruders who might attempt to break through glass panels or weak materials. By upgrading to an impact-rated door, you're improving both storm safety and year-round home security. Enhancing safety while boosting curb appeal. A new door doesn't just protect, it transforms the look of your home. Whether you choose a sleek modern design or a classic entry style, door replacement enhances curb appeal and adds value. And for families in Middleburg, a secure door can bring priceless peace of mind. You'll know that your entryway looks welcoming from the outside while being strong and dependable on the inside. Professional installation makes the difference. Even the best security door won't perform properly if it's installed incorrectly. Gaps, misalignment, or loose hardware can compromise both safety and efficiency. That's why working with local Middleburg door installation professionals is essential. Certified installers ensure every hinge, lock, and seal is perfectly fitted, providing maximum protection and longevity. They also make sure your new door meets Florida's strict building and hurricane safety standards. Final thoughts for Middleburg families. Replacing an outdated door is one of the most effective ways to improve home security. New, high-quality doors are stronger, more durable, and better equipped to handle both intruders and Florida's challenging climate. By combining advanced materials, modern locking systems, and professional installation, a door replacement offers the safety, style, and confidence your family deserves. When it comes to protecting what matters most, a secure, professionally installed door isn't just an upgrade, it's peace of mind built to last.